Hi, this is Greg and Sean from Everbridge. We'd like to show you how you can handle a situation where an employee at work experiences COVID-19 symptoms. There are three things you need to manage this. The first is reporting the suspected illness. We've seen several strategies for this, including employee self-reporting, surveys, temperature checks, and thermal imaging. The second is a process for evaluating the employee's health. This is going to vary based on where the employee is. A supervisor could take an employee through a series of questions and a temperature check, or you could use telemedicine. The third is a process to mitigate the risk. If the employee meets the criteria for having COVID-19, you're going to want to take action on behalf of this person and to protect other employees. Let's look at reporting an illness first. One way to report a sick employee is to use the Everbridge mobile app. Employees can use the app to self-report. They can select the COVID-19 category here and enter their information. Managers can also report sick employees through the same mobile app. The mobile app can be configured to be HIPAA compliant, so your employee's health information is protected. Another way to report is through Iot Integration. Suppose you're using a digital thermometer or a thermal camera. If one of those systems identifies a person with a fever, it can notify Everbridge. Once you have identified and reported a sick person, it makes sense to further evaluate them for COVID-19 specifically. You can set up an evaluation workflow in Everbridge so that every employee who is reported as sick is evaluated consistently. You could also use telemedicine. As part of the reporting process, Everbridge could trigger a workflow that alerts HR, schedules a telemedicine appointment, or requests a COVID-19 test. You can perform mitigation activities the same way. Presuming the employee tests positive and or COVID-19 symptoms are confirmed, now you need to mitigate the risk. Mitigation tasks will depend upon the situation. That's not a cop-out on our part. You know your business way better than we do, so you're going to know how to ultimately mitigate that risk. Whatever steps you need to take, our job is to deliver those instructions to your employees and to make it easy for them to communicate, track the tasks they need to perform, and ask for help as needed. Suppose I'm an office manager and one of my employees has contracted COVID-19. You can use Everbridge to send me a list of specific things to do, like steps to sanitize the office or a checklist of guidance to give other employees. As you've seen, I can track my tasks on the mobile app. What if I have a problem with a task? I can request help, and the appropriate person can be automatically notified to assist me. Providing consistent mitigation steps across the organization will minimize infections and create safer working environments. So that's how you can use Everbridge to manage risk with employees who may have been exposed to or contracted COVID-19. Thanks for watching.